spread. This is an interesting story that we are going to point out next now. A fat finger trade in Nifty bank options happened on the 11th of August. Santosh is here. He's reported this for Money Control. You can go to the Money Control website, read the whole story, but he's here to tell us what happened. And tell us, Santosh.
So what exactly happened on August 11th was there was looks like the erroneous trade in Nifty Bank of the 45,700 strike put options. The prevailing premium at that point in time was around 1,300 rupees. But suddenly there was somebody put in a premium of 90 rupees, and you saw a sharp dip, but that was very momentary, and then the trades probably got squared off. There was huge volumes in the put options, 45,700. Now this is what market is speculating. Most likely it seems to be a fat finger error. What would have happened was that the bank Nifty call options of 45,700, they were also trading around 89-90 rupees. So it could have been a case of, while making that algo, probably instead of writing a call for 45,700, they would have written a put for 45,700, but taking the price of the 45,700 call, because of which the prices came off very quickly, and most likely it would have triggered a lot of stop losses on the way down. Quite a few people would have lost money, most likely. This is what I'm picking from market sources, is that these trades were done by multiple clients using the same algo. All of them were using the same algo strategy. So this is what basically we are hearing from the market. Of course, we also pick up that many traders on the other side would have made some money very quickly, because they managed to get something which was really dirt cheap. So likely that they would have flipped their positions immediately after.
So shouldn't there are controls in place, right? You can't enter prices far outside the far away from the prevailing price.
Right.
So should that have worked? I mean, anything you're picking up there?
Yes. So this again is what I'm picking from the market, because we did ask NSE. NSE said that our systems are working fine. That's been their response to us. But what people, brokers, traders in the market are saying is that the limit price protection mechanism which is there, ideally, if it was a single order from a single client, maybe the order would have been rejected, because the NSE frequently asked question very clearly says that any order which is put outside the range of the LPP, which is the limit protection price, and which is dynamic in nature, that will be rejected. So it is possible that when this algo was fired, there would have been orders coming in from multiple clients and of the same price, which probably could have led the system to think that these are fair orders and this is the fair price at this point in time, which is why maybe the orders would have found their way into the system. So this is the theory.
But this Santosh, was a trade that involved a far month contract. So would it have had any bearing on the near month options trade or the spot price at all? Any indication of that?
So this was the bank Nifty on that day was trading around 44,700. That was the range roughly. This option was for 45,700. So that is one of the reasons it didn't attract a lot of notice. But at the same time, if you look at the trading volumes in the 45,700 put as well as 45,700 call, they were higher than the usual volume seen on other days of the month. So had this been a near in the money kind of contract, probably there could have been a lot of volatility in the market, because a lot of positions in the options market are also offset by similar positions in the cash market. So if one gets unwound suddenly for some reason, there's a good chance that you could have seen some kind of volatility in the cash market as well. But we didn't see any of that on that day.
Human error is called fat finger. What is the algo error called?
Oh, well, we'll have to devise a term for that.
Algo fat
I don't
finger.
think a fat. I don't know. Digital error or something.
Thank you very much, Santosh. Well, a great story as always. So tracking what's happening in the market, which is not always obvious right away. As I said, you can read the full story by Santosh on the Money Control website. Now.